5, you know. Hi everyone. As part of your CPR in your Year 10 unit, you're going to be required to submit a practical submission. Now in that submission, we'll be demonstrating today what that will look like. Now you've learnt about your doctor's ABCD. We're not expecting you in your submission to check for danger, check for a response, send for help, check for the airways, breathing. We will, however, be expecting you to submit your compressions and doing the CPR. So that's what we'll demonstrate today. Now we'll start using the mannequin and I'll show you the cycles you're expected to do. So this is 5 cycles, including 2 breaths. So it'll be 30 compressions, followed by the 2 breaths, and we'll do that 5 times. So what I'll be having is finding the center of my chest and using the nipple line for that. So we will be going with our compressions and starting your demonstration as such now. During your time, if you're finding that it's easier to find the rhythm for your 30 compressions, you can sing to Staying Alive. Staying alive, staying alive, staying alive, staying alive. If you also have someone else to help you out who can do the count of the compressions for you, that would be also really helpful. That's 2 cycles. I'm going through my 3rd cycle now. And my final cycle. And that's where most of you will hit stop on the record and send in that submission. Now, we're aware that not everyone will have a mannequin as such. So what's the alternative? Thank you for that. You can find around your house towels or sheets. In this case, we've got a sheet that's rolled up here. So you'll find it. You want to try and have the depth that's going to be very similar to what a chest would be. So if we have a look at the height, you can see the similarity. Something that also has a little bit of resistance as well. So if it's something that's a pillow, you might find it's got too much compression in it or too much squish. So try and find something that's got to be a little bit more resistant. Now, this is also not only the same or similar height, but also a similar length to a torso. So when we do that, we'll find near the center of the chest again, same technique, and when we do our compressions, we'll be using the same rhythm, 30:2, and once we reach our 30, we'll be just pretending that we're doing the breaths. Same thing, once you've done that, you'll then stop and send your submission in.